Spusu Operator Review. Is this mobile network worth it? If you've been considering switching to Spusu for your mobile service and want to know whether it's worth it, this review will break down what the operator offers, how it performs, and whether it's a good choice for your needs. We'll cover key features, pricing, network quality, and things to consider before making the switch. Spusu is a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, that operates on established networks to provide voice, text, and data plans. What sets MVNOs like Spusu apart is their focus on simplicity, flexible plans, and often competitive pricing compared to major carriers. Spusu offers a range of plans designed to appeal to different types of users, from light data use to heavy data needs. One of Spusu's strengths is its transparent pricing structure. Many users appreciate that plans are straightforward, without hidden fees or complicated tiering. You typically choose the amount of data, minutes, and texts you need, and pay accordingly. This simplicity can make budgeting easier and help you avoid overpaying for features you don't use. Network quality is another important factor. Because Spusu uses established carrier infrastructure, you generally get reliable coverage wherever the underlying network operates. The exact experience can vary depending on your location, but in many regions, customers report solid voice and data performance without major issues. Customer experience with Spusu tends to focus on ease of setup and account management. You can usually sign up online, choose or port your number, and activate your service with minimal hassle. The operator also provides online support resources to help with common questions and technical issues. However, there are some limitations to consider. MVNOs sometimes offer less priority access to network resources compared to the carrier's direct customers, which can affect performance during peak times. Additionally, some advanced features offered by major carriers, such as extensive international roaming packages or bundled entertainment services, may not be available on Spusu plans. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Spusu shines with competitive pricing and straightforward plan options. The ability to choose exactly what you need without confusing add-ons can make mobile service more affordable and tailored to your usage. Reliable coverage via established networks also means you aren't sacrificing basic performance when you switch. On the downside, the cons center around limitations common to many MVNOs. Because Spusu operates on host networks, it may have lower priority for data speeds during times of heavy usage compared to the carrier's own customers. Advanced features like extensive roaming, entertainment bundles, or premium perks are often limited or unavailable. Customer support may also be more basic compared to larger carriers. In summary, Spusu is a solid choice if you want a cost-effective mobile plan with reliable coverage and simple options. It's especially appealing for budget-conscious users or anyone who prefers transparent pricing without unnecessary extras. If you need advanced features or priority network access, you might want to compare plans with major carriers. But for straightforward mobile service, Spusu is definitely worth considering.